Hey guys, what up? Welcome back to my channel. So I know I have been a little absent. The thing is that I have been meaning to vlog and stuff, but I've only been shopping, and I feel like all my vlogs have been about like going to the stores and so I decided not to vlog because I was just like doing Christmas shopping and just like going to Target and like TJ Maxx and all the stores. And don't get me wrong, like I love like watching those types of vlogs, but I don't want all my content to just be like shopping, So we're going shopping today. Just kidding. I'm actually just running to Walmart really quick. I'm gonna pick up some things that I need because I'm gonna be making like a Christmas trail mix. And then I'm gonna be making pancakes right now when I come back. So the thing, we don't have any water, so I absolutely needed to go to the store, so I might as well just pick up the trail mix ingredients. So I'll see you guys at Walmart. Okay, so let me show you what I picked up from Walmart. So we got the Chex Mix. There was like corn and rice, but like I didn't know if it mattered, so I just picked up the corn. This popcorn. This one is actually my favorite. And some pretzels, some holiday M&M, and of course some white chocolate. Tickling me. He's like, why? Because if you didn't know there's bags, you can just go and purchase. Oh, I guess you didn't care. Carlos, look, come here. Come make like a Christmas activity with me. Huh? Okay, act like you're gonna grab it in so I can smack you and it's funny. Look at how beautiful this is. Okay, you guys, that is it for today's video. I just wanted to show you guys how I made that treat. It is super yummy. I can't stop eating it, but yeah, I guess I'll just see you guys in another vlog. Bye, guys.